Building a PC under 70K? Ready to game and stream like a pro? Check out this beast of a build. We have a CPU i5 13-400F with 10 cores and 16 threads. For RAM, we're using a Data XPG Lancer 16GB, which is 8 by 2 GB DDR5 at 6000 MHz. The motherboard is the MSI B760 Bomber Wi-Fi. For the GPU, we have the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 with 8GB twin Edge GDDR6. The SSD is a Crucial P3 plus 1TB PCIe Gen 4.0. The power supply is the ANTE Esports FG650 Gaming 650W, which is 80 plus gold certified. And lastly, the cabinet is of your choice or budget.